So are you in your 40s or 50s? Maybe you're in a phase where you feel like you crave a change in your life. You're looking for something new. Sometimes you're restless. Sometimes you feel like, you have reached a point where you're stagnant and you need something new. Or even for some people, it's like you feel attracted to someone else outside the marriage because you are kind of bored, or not exactly, you're looking for something new, a renewed kind of a thing in your life. So if you are going through something like that, first and foremost, I want to tell you that it is very, very normal. Okay? And many people call it as midlife crisis, but there is also another set of people who don't even know about this. So, when you are in your teens or your early 20s, you're full of energy, all is good, and then you reach your 40s, you're pressed with all things around, and then suddenly there's a dip in everything, and then you question what next. So this is a very common thing, and many people get into a phase of guilt, anger, depression, and all kind of things without knowing that it is something very normal. They get into that phase of guilt. So what I want to tell you today is that it's normal. Don't judge yourself. Don't be burdened about it. There is a solution for everything. So for example, it could be that at this age you are attracted to someone else outside marriage. Now I want to tell you that it is a very common thing. It is a very common thing, and you might think it is because the other person is attractive, or you find something in the person which is not there in your family, or your family life has come to an end. So it could be any of those kind of feelings that you're going through. But let me tell you, it's not the other person or anything else. It is some changes that you are going through altogether. And let's think about an eagle. At its 40, it sheds all its wings and the claws, it removes everything, and then it recovers or restores to the original and gains strength for another flight. I would say that this 40s or 50s is like that. It is the place where you're going to restart your life with a new thing, with a new vision, with a new spark. It is not the end. And the running into other people or other things, or jumping into sudden decisions is not the solution. I would just say this, that the solution is looking into yourself. Take a pause, breathe, do not judge yourself, that you don't get into the guilt mode. Understand that you're not alone. There are people with you who, not everyone is comfortable talking about it, but if people can confess, everyone would say that, okay, this is something very common. So do not judge yourself, do not be burdened, but look at it as a new beginning. What is the best that I can do? What are some things that I'm good at? What are new things that I can explore? How can I divert this phase into something that is going to be beneficial to me and others? So I would just leave it at that 40s or 50s, or what you call as midlife crisis, is not the end of the story. It is the beginning of something new that you cannot even comprehend if you put your thoughts right and guide yourself into the right channels. If you need help, if you would like to talk at any point, you're welcome. You can look at the post below to know where you can meet me. And yeah, so see you soon.